What's the best advice you could give laundry owners regarding this whole topic of remodeling, decor, design? And you've given us a lot of information, but what's the best advice?
Talk to other owners, visit other
Mm.
laundromats, see what's being done,
Mhm.
see what what you like, what you don't like. I mean, I love, my kids get sick of it, but when we're going on vacation, I always have to do laundromat tours. And I'm like, I like that idea. And if the owner's there, I say, that's a great idea. I'm stealing that idea. So
Yeah.
um,
Yeah.
that's one of the best ways. Just see what people are doing. There's a lot of stuff you might not think of that's really cool and makes a place pop. And
Mhm.
it makes it a more modern experience.
Yeah. Yeah. Josh, how about you? What's your parting shot?
Yeah, I mean, I know we've pretty much, I think we hit it all. But one thing I'll just say is, in going back to his thing, yeah, my wife hates it. I mean, we go to Colorado, we go to laundromat. I was in Belize 2 weeks ago. I went to a laundromat and I tried to buy one just so I could say I was an international owner, and I couldn't figure that out in the 2 days I was there. But seriously, but anyway, I mean, just care about your store. So many people, I think, get weighed down by the day-to-day operations, or if they're I'm going to call a slumlord, basically they just don't care. I mean, just care. As I said, touch up the walls when they're needed, put in the lights. If you're not staffed, clean the floors. And just put it. I mean, as I said, it does not have to be an expensive thing to do. I mean, there's so many things that we could do just as owners, even just passing, just to show our customers that we care, and that
Mhm.
translates into they will show. They'll keep coming back and coming back. And even, I mean, even if you don't have the newest store right now, if you tell them, hey, I have a 5-year plan, that's not too long, like a 2-year plan, to be better. You just let people know, say, hey, this is a continual work in progress. And as I said, I think, I mean, I think just trying, I mean, I never have a store that I'm not doing a project in, because I love the new and refreshing and everything. Most people don't do that. That's just me.
Mhm.
But anyway, yeah, just show effort. I know that sounds basic, but it is. It's what it is.
Yeah. Great. Great. Sharon, I'm going to give you the last word. What's your best advice?
Uh, oh, what can I add that Paul and Josh haven't already said? The goal is when your customer comes in, they want to feel valued, they want to feel comfortable, and you want it to say, hey, we're glad you're here. We're happy to have you as a customer. How can we help you? As opposed to, we don't care about you. We don't care about your business. Just you drop your money here, go down the street, and we really don't care. So from
Mhm.
the customer's perspective, how does it feel when you walk in? Go visit. Yeah, absolutely. Every laundromat. I've been in pretty much every laundromat here in Wichita. When we go on vacation, Steve and I are both, ooh, there's a laundromat, and we have to do a U-turn and go back and look. And yeah, we're laundromat tourists, just like every other laundry nerd out there. Take ideas, just note everything. What do you like? What do you not like? What makes you feel comfortable? What looks sketchy? What would you do differently? And yeah, we find out ideas all the time from other stores,
Mhm.
and always
Mhm.
look at it through the customer's eyes. If you
Mhm.
want to stay in business and you want to continue to remain profitable, or hopefully you are profitable, want to be more profitable, just look at it from the customer's eyes, through the
Mhm.
customer's eyes. What are they seeing?